Okay, so today we're going to talk about Auzic AI. Here we are to the website of the project. Auzic AI is a next generation AI powered financial technology that leverages machine learning, decentralized networks, and real time data analytics to help investors make smarter decisions. Auzic AI combines decentralized network and AI driven forecasting for unparalleled accuracy. So they are launching their wallet soon. So here we have details to this. You can simply join to their waitlist and you can be part of them because they are launching their wallet. So you have to stay tuned with them to get your wallet easily. Currently they are in their pre-sale phase, so you can buy from their pre-sale right now. Current price which is 0.014 till now, and the target price which will be $1. So you can see that you can purchase a token on 0.014 price and you will get price in future 1 USDT. Then you can see the token sold which is mentioned here, token raised are mentioned here. So all you have to do to connect your wallet and then you will be able to purchase the token. Currently they are in their phase 7. Then you can get the token by Ethereum, USDT or USDC, and then you just need to connect your wallet. Then you have to input the amount and then you are going to get the token. So if you talk about the details of buying token, so you can simply buy the token from these steps. First of all, you have the personal wallet, then you have some Ethereum for gas fee, and then you can simply buy the token. First of all, you have to get your digital wallet ready and then you simply send Ethereum or USDT to buy the token. Here we have also the details of their market cap value, their CoinGecko terminal. So here we have the market cap value which is mentioned here. So you can see out the details on coin market cap. You can check out the details of their launched and their prices. Everything is mentioned here. So you have to read this to be able to understand the project easily. Now here we have some more details how to participate in the Aussie pre-sale. So you can simply buy Aussie with Ethereum, USDT or USDC on Ethereum network, and early investors are up more than 10x. Step 1 is go to the official Auzic AI website. So start by heading to our website details. Then you have to bookmark it to be safe. Next, you have to connect your crypto wallet. You can simply click connect wallet and choose the wallet of your preference, MetaMask, Coin Wallet, etc. Then you have to choose how you want to pay, and then you have to simply approve and confirm the transaction. You can refer and earn up to 10%. Each purchase via your referral code earns you a 10% bonus in Aussie. You can share more to your relatives and friends to earn more. Then this is audit proof project. You can completely trust on this as this is audit proof and audit proof by Certic or CyberWolf. So they have been audited by Certic to enhance their smart contract security, ensuring Auzic AI is protected by Certic world-class security. So you can completely trust on it. Then we have the economics of Aussie token. You can check out the token supply which is 10 billion, liquidity and listing for 10%, pre-sale for 30%, 30% for ecosystem and community as well, team for 10% and future reserve for 20%. Here we have the pre-sale contract address. You can simply copy to this and paste it in your wallet to get the token easily. 10% unlock at listing, 1 month cliff, and then 6 months for linear vesting. Then token utility, exclusive AI agent access, real-time analytics feed, performance-based reward, and many more things coming soon. Here we have details to their partnerships, building meaningful partnerships with industry leaders to drive innovation and impact with Sentient, OpenGPU, Solo, Zenny, Gemini AI, Webloom, Ecobit, etc. Some frequently asked question, when will I receive my Aussie token? How do I add Aussie to MetaMask, etc. Everything is mentioned here. Then you can simply join to the social channels. Here we have the Twitter page of the project as well. You can join to the Twitter page. You can join to their all details. Here we have the Twitter. You can simply join the Twitter to check the recent tweets, recent details of the project as well. And here we have details to the Telegram group. If you have any type of inquiry, you can join to the Telegram group to stay in touch with their team and other members of the project. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access.